Construction is evolving faster than ever. From revolutionary building techniques to cutting-edge technologies, these 15 innovations are changing how structures are designed, built, and finished. Some are surprisingly simple, while others feel straight out of the future. Let's take a look. Why build a complicated lift shaft setup when you can simply lift the whole platform? This heavy-duty platform moves between floors in minutes, locks itself into place, and carries up to 300 kilograms per square meter. It can even support 3,200 kilograms of shaft formwork. Basically, elevator construction just got its own express elevator, minus the passengers. Forget carrying heavy scaffolding all day. LIFTBOT is basically the construction site's robotic co-worker, lifting scaffolding components while keeping workers safer and reducing the workload. It can cut labor costs by up to 44%, speed up assembly, and provide real-time site data, because apparently even scaffolding needs performance analytics now. Meet the Wall Grip Pro, the bodyguard your walls never knew they needed. This fiberglass reinforcement strengthens masonry, helps prevent cracks, and handles tension, compression, and even earthquake forces. It is lightweight, easy to roll out, and barely affected when drilling into walls. Basically, your wall gets stronger without turning construction into a steel wrestling match. Forget calling the whole construction crew. This wall jack lets one person lift a fully sheathed wall, yes, up to 1,000 pounds, and makes it look almost embarrassingly easy. No sweat, no strain, no 10 guys yelling contradictory instructions. It's basically a gym membership for your walls, except they somehow skip leg day entirely. One person, one jack, zero drama. Building walls has never felt this effortless. Your walls might be secretly throwing your heating money straight outside. Cavity wall insulation fills that hidden gap between brick layers, trapping heat, slashing energy use, keeping every room cozy. It's basically giving your house an invisible winter jacket minus the bulky Antarctica look. No fuss, no drama, just a warmer home and a happier wallet. Bitumen emulsion might not look exciting, but this stuff is basically road construction's secret sauce. It binds, seals, and protects surfaces, creating roads that are stronger and way more durable. Not exactly glamorous, sure, until your road survives years of relentless traffic, brutal weather, and daily abuse. Turns out that sticky black goo? Total unsung hero of the pavement world. This sealant is basically the flexible bodyguard of your building. It handles movement, rain, damp surfaces, and wild weather swings without ever backing down. Strong adhesion, tons of color options, works inside or outside. And yes, you can even paint over it. Because apparently even your walls deserve a little flexibility and a lot of fashion. Meet FiberTec, the lightweight anchor that takes heavy-duty fixing seriously. Made from fiberglass reinforced plastic, it delivers impressive tensile strength while laughing in the face of corrosion. Cut it to length, drop it into small boreholes, and watch it handle concrete, rock, and masonry with ease. Small, light, surprisingly tough. Basically, the anchor world's underdog hero. Speedfix is basically the fast food version of construction adhesives. Quick, clean, and ready to stick. With 9 specialized products covering everything from mirrors and tiles to outdoor jobs, it takes all the guesswork out of choosing the right glue. Strong bonds, easy application, way less mess, more fixing, less fuss, zero drama. When your foundation wall starts bowing, cracking, or leaning, this steel anchor steps in like a structural bodyguard. It uses the surrounding soil to stabilize the wall and can gradually help correct movement. Strong, low profile, and built for long-term support, it keeps your foundation standing firm. Basically, it tells your basement wall to stop acting like a banana. Building concrete walls usually means heavy blocks, complicated setup, and way too many headaches. LiteForm changes the game with lightweight insulated forms featuring pre-molded corners, fastening strips, and effortless bracing. It handles virtually any wall shape you throw at it, while boosting energy efficiency and standing strong against wind and fire. Basically, concrete construction just found its cheat code, and it's never looking back. What if your parking lot could handle trucks without saying goodbye to the grass? Runfloor creates tough green permeable surfaces that support loads up to 600 tons per square meter, all while protecting roots and letting rainwater drain naturally. Made from regenerated polyethylene, it installs quickly too. Basically, your lawn just landed a serious heavy-duty upgrade and kept its green card. Getting cables through tight, winding spaces feels like threading spaghetti through a maze. Bagela's cable pushers make it easy, guiding cables and pipes through long, complicated routes with way less effort. They even work in cramped buildings, plants, and ships. Basically, when your cable throws a tantrum and refuses to cooperate, Bagela steps in and takes charge. Drywall cracks are basically your wall's dramatic way of asking for attention. FibaTape Extra Strength fights back with a wider, stronger mesh that handles movement and reinforces weak joints like a champ. It's self-adhesive, easy to apply, and slashes finishing time. Basically, it gives your drywall a tiny fiberglass suit of armor. No cracks allowed, no drama tolerated. Fixing a pothole usually means heavy machinery, hot asphalt, and a crew that somehow takes forever. Pothole Pack skips all that drama. Just open the pouch, place the mix, compact it, and move on with your day. It works in rain, snow, and heat, delivering strong adhesion and durability. Basically, your pothole just met its worst enemy and lost. These 15 technologies and techniques are pushing construction into a new era. Smarter methods, better technology, and incredible innovation are making construction faster, easier, and more efficient. And this is just the beginning.